Hello everyone, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon as we upload one new recipe every day and you will get notified. Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now during tea time we always crave to have something nice or something crunchy and some snacks. So today I'm going to show you some biscuits made using ajwain. So we're going to make ajwain biscuits. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. To make powdered sugar, take a cup of regular white sugar and just grind it in a mixer grinder. For the biscuits, take 2 cups all-purpose flour, that is Maida. To this add about 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon ajwain, a pinch of salt, butter 3 tablespoons. First we're going to mix all these ingredients to get a crumb texture. The butter should be at room temperature, should be softened butter. Milk half cup. Mix all the ingredients and knead it for about 10 minutes till everything is combined well. Let it sit for about 30 to 40 minutes. So the dough has been sitting for almost 40 minutes now. I'm going to take a little and roll it out. So I have a few cookie cutters here of different shapes. I'm just going to use these. You can do these biscuits with your kids. I'm sure they love to cut. So I'm going to use this plate to bake the cookies. Now I'm using the oven setting, so I'm going to use this. I've baked the cookies in this ever silver plate, so I'm going to use the same thing. If you have a cookie sheet, so you can use that. Bake it 180 degrees for 20 minutes. So next time you're looking to make some tea time snack, try making these delicious crunchy biscuits. You can store them in an airtight container and enjoy them. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.